America is blessed with a diverse range of stunning landscapes and attractions that offer something for everyone. Here are some beautiful places to consider visiting in the United States. 1. Grand Canyon, Arizona, a natural wonder that leaves visitors awestruck with its immense size and breathtaking views. The Grand Canyon is a must-see destination for its iconic red rock formations and the Colorado River winding through its depths. 2. Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming, the first national park in the world. Yellowstone boasts geothermal wonders like geysers, including the famous Old Faithful, hot springs, and diverse wildlife against a backdrop of stunning mountains and forests. 3. Yosemite National Park, California, known for its dramatic granite cliffs, waterfalls, giant sequoias, and pristine wilderness, Yosemite is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and photographers. 4. Hawaii's Volcanoes National Park, Hawaii, witness the raw power of volcanic activity with lava flows, craters, and unique geological formations on the Big Island of Hawaii. 5. Glacier National Park, Montana, this park is a haven of alpine meadows, rugged mountains, and glaciers. The Going to the Sun Road offers breathtaking views and is a highlight of the park. 6. Sedona, Arizona, famous for its striking red rock formations and spiritual energy, Sedona is a haven for hiking, wellness retreats, and outdoor exploration. 7. Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Tennessee/North Carolina, as the most visited national park in the U.S., the Great Smoky Mountains offer picturesque landscapes, lush forests, and a diverse range of plant and animal life. 8. Napa Valley, California, renowned for its vineyards and wineries, Napa Valley offers beautiful rolling hills, charming towns, and a chance to indulge in world-class food and wine. 9. New York City, New York, the city that never sleeps. New York is famous for its iconic skyline, Central Park, Broadway shows, and diverse neighborhoods. 10. Aspen, Colorado, a year-round destination. Aspen offers stunning Rocky Mountain vistas, world-class skiing in the winter, and a wealth of outdoor activities in the warmer months. 11. New Orleans, Louisiana, immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of the French Quarter, enjoy jazz music, and savor the unique Creole and Cajun cuisine. 12. Monument Valley, Arizona/Utah, this iconic desert landscape is characterized by its towering sandstone buttes and mesas, often seen in Western films. 13. Niagara Falls, New York, witness the awe-inspiring power of the falls from viewpoints on both the American and Canadian sides. 14. Acadia National Park, Maine, explore the rugged coastline, granite peaks, and beautiful lakes of this picturesque New England park. 15. San Francisco, California, enjoy the Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz Island, and the city's unique neighborhoods while soaking in stunning bay views. These are just a few examples of the many incredible places to visit in the United States. Each destination offers its own distinct charm and beauty, making it a memorable experience for travelers.